Go to balloon first. Blow it next. And he popped. He popped it last. Mom made a cake first. Number 1. One. Mom made cake first. He broke it next. Boy blew the candle last. See. There's down. There's sliding. And there fell down. See. Cat sleeping. Dog broke it and cat scared. And the flower fell down and crashed and broken. Crackhead. See. Bucket goes to the sand. And doggies goes together. Homer goes to his man's together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This one is 7. Yes, right. So, circle. Is it 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. That's it. Square around 6. I'm gonna paint stars to yellow, planets to blue, spaceship to red, and aliens to green. I paint all these stars to yellow. Now we can draw some planets. Here, blue. I made all planets blue. I make all red spaceship. Color. I made all spaceship red. Now I make green aliens. It fell up. So I made all Aaron's green. Now we gonna draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Bye.